And in the society, nowadays, a lot of parents, right, in their old age, they live in a big villa, etc. Like they work hard, etc. Whatever, they make their children educated in a very grand way. So they settle in US. So even for taking care, material and hospital, they won't be there.
They will be
They won't
there.
be physically present.
Yeah. That is not correct. So duty should be there. One should do our material duties first. Then slowly connect these material duties to Lord. Your consciousness should be that this child is there. If he is reared very nicely, then he can be do good to the humanity in future. So that's why there is a we should not be attached too much to the children. One story is there in the Bhagavatam of Maharaj Chitraketu. Maharaj Chitraketu was not getting children for quite some time. He had several queens. He was not getting. Then Muni she came some. So he wanted for benediction. I think Narad Muni and Agira Rishi. I think. So he asked for benediction. Please give me a child. So I think Chitraketu is Agira Rishi or Narad Muni who gave him the benediction. Chitraketu's son benediction Agira Rishi or Narad Muni. Okay, I forgot. Maybe Angira Rishi or gave the benediction that okay, you will get the son, but the son will be Harsha Shoka. Harsha Shoka. What is the meaning of Harsha Shoka? Harsha Shoka. Anybody knows the meaning Harsha and Shoka? Harsha means happiness, ecstatic happiness. Shoka means lamentation. So his name will be Harsha Shoka. So he will be source of very great happiness and he will be source of very much unhappiness also. That's why the child's name was given Harsha Shoka. So he was born and then he was born from one of the queens. So then everybody was very happy. Then the other queens, he was born from one of the queens. So the king was little more attached towards that queen. So who gave birth to that child. So king was naturally little bit inclined towards that queen. So all the other queens become very jealous that because of this child only, king is attached to the other queen, that queen, not to us. So what they thought that this child is the only culprit for that. So we have to kill the child. So they give poison and kill the child. And the king became very much unhappy. Much more unhappy than before. Before when he was not having child, he was unhappy. But now he is much more unhappy than that also. He has enjoyed whatever happiness got. Now he is much more unhappy than that previous unhappiness also. And he was praying to the sages. Then the sages came again. Then Agira Muni told again, I told already na Harsha Shoka, he will be cause of happiness and distress also. He told no, I want to enjoy some more happiness. Like that something he was telling. He is my child. How he can leave me? He is my child. Then Narad Muni told, okay, he is your child. You are his father? He told, yes, I am his father. Then Narad Muni called the child. He gave life to the child. Narad Muni वो बच्चा को जन्म दिया, फिर से लाइफ दिया. लाइफ का हिंदी क्या है? जीवन. फिर से जीवन दिया. उठा के बोल रहे तुम्हारा पापा के साथ बात करो. वो बोल रहे कौन मेरा पापा है? तो वो बोल रहे ये है. नारद मुनि बोल रहे ये है. तो बोले ये मेरा कौन सा पापा है? मेरा तो बहुत सारा पापा था. तो भगवान उनको याददाश्त दिला. तो भगवान 15 चैप्टर 15 श्लोका में बोल रहे हैं मत्ता स्मृति ज्ञान न पवन च, मुझसे ही स्मृति आता है, फॉरगेटफुलनेस आता है. तो हमारा भी जो जितना भी लाइफ होता है हम उसको भूल जाता है. ओनली कुछ स्पेसिफिकली जो जाति स्वर होता है वो पिछले जन्म का बात उसको याद रहता है. वो रेयर केस है, बहुत रेयर. Once in a billion jati swars will be there who can remember their previous birth, but otherwise most of us forget. तो उसको नारद मुनि ने सभी याददाश्त दिया, सभी बर्थ का याददाश्त दिया. भगवान उसको सभी पिछले सभी जन्म के याददाश्त दिला. तो वो बोल रहे आप मेरा कौन सा जन्म का पापा हो? मेरा तो कुत्ता का पापा था, मेरा तो बिल्ली पापा था, मेरा तो सुअर पापा था, मैं तो ये पापा था, वो पापा था, बहुत सारा था. तो आप मेरा कौन सा जन्म का, ह्यूमन में भी बहुत सारा जन्म मिला, तो आप मेरा कौन सा जन्म का पापा पिताजी हो? तो उनको समझ में आ गया, तुरंत समझ में आ गया. क्योंकि जब आप सेंटली पर्सन का अंडर में करेंगे ना तो उनका ब्लेसिंग से समझ में आ जाता है. तुरंत उनको समझ में आ गया क्या समझाना चाहता है नारद मुनि. वो बच्चा ने बोल दिया आप मेरा कौन सा पापा हो? मेरा सुअर पापा था, मेरा चूहा पापा था, बिल्ली पापा था, मनुष्य में भी मेरा ये पापा था, वो पापा था, वो पापा था।